Hi and welcome back to our course on SolidWorks for beginners. In this lecture, we are going to learn about view tools, like sectional views, and display style. This is the part we created in our last lecture. Let's go to display style. There are 5 display styles. The current one is shaded with edges. The edges here are defined clearly, using black lines. The second one is shaded, only. Click on it. This is a more realistic view of the object. The third option is hidden lines removed. This option only shows the outer edges of the body. Then we come to the fourth option, hidden lines visible. Here the outer edges are displayed by continuous lines and the hidden edges are denoted by dotted lines. Look at the detailing. The last one is called wireframe. Here all the edges are displayed with a similar line. We usually use this to study mating and interference between different parts. The entire thing looks as if made out of wires. So this was all about the types of display styles. Let's go back to the shaded with edges option that we normally use. Now let's see sectional views. Select a plane, and click on Section View. Here front plane is selected. You can hold and drag this arrow to change the distance of the view plane. You can also change the plane, let's say the top plane. Drag again and see. Similarly, we can also select the right plane. In mechanical drawings, section views are used to reveal interior features of an object when hidden lines cannot properly represent them. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in the next one.